Can you imagine that in our world there are people who made a paper from elephant poo? But why elephant poo? Watch the whole video to find out, because I'm going to make a paper out of elephant poo. Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to make a paper out of elephant poo. Honestly, it's very strange and I'm very excited. But what is the reason behind this? It is not about the paper is made of wood. And because of this, many trees are cut down in the world. And it causes damage to the environment. So there are people who decide to find a solution for this problem. And it's happened that these people live in a country where there are many elephants. So guys, some background about the elephant. Okay guys, some information about the elephant. The elephant sleep only 4 to 6 hours. Still wake up around 20 hours. The strange thing is that the elephant does not sleep much, stays awake and spends most of its time eating. For this reason it excretes a lot of poo, about 40 tons of poo per year. These people saw the problem of the large excrement excreted by the elephant, and they saw the problem of cutting down trees to make a paper. So they decided to try making paper from elephant poo, because elephant poo contain a lot of fiber. So I decided to go to Chiang Mai in northern Thailand to take you with me to see how we make paper from elephant poo. We all know about the culture of Thailand, about they have natural symbol, the elephant. And now I stay in Chiang Mai, the capital of the elephant in the world. Chiang Mai is the capital of the elephant in the world. And now I'm going to Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park in Chiang Mai. So let's see together how we will make elephant poo poo paper.
Welcome to the park.
Thank you.
It would just take 30 minutes for the tour, and then after that you can just, if you want to take a video or whatever you want to do, you can just come back, walk around. And
Okay.
Okay, so this is Thai. This is real elephant poo.
Wow, it's real elephant poo.
So they eat a lot, they poop a lot too. They poop around 12 to 16 times a day.
My God.
And each time,
It's a lot.
and each time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to 8 piles.
Wow.
So one time, boop, one day, probably half of like this. One elephant, one day.
Wow, amazing, really.
Okay, so now elephant poop. Elephant poop. But we also have the horse poop.
You have also as well horse.
Horse poop for comparison. This one also we can also use to make paper. Just easy, not easy.
This one not easy, and this one more easy.
Yeah.
Because have a lot of fiber. Okay, I got you.
This one's
So,
not easy.
the horse is a little bit difficult, but the elephant more easy. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see that actually.
Yes.
Wow,
Okay.
it's really amazing.
Now.
Okay. You have as well cow.
Yes, cow poop.
Cow poo also.
Okay, cows, look at the poop. Cows have very, very good system. Oh, super good.
Very good system. Okay.
Look at the cow poop. You see fiber?
No, not really.
Get digested. It gets digested. So this one, a little fiber, see? A little
A
fiber.
little bit. Yes.
So that means we can also use this to make paper.
Also as well, but it's hard more than the elephant. Okay,
Yes.
I understand
A lot
you.
more than horse.
Because no
Yes.
fiber. Okay.
You got it. You got
wow.
it. Yes.
It's really amazing.
You got
Yeah,
it.
I can see. You can see, guys. It's
You got
also
it.
a little bit
Yes.
like
Yes.
maybe 1%. Okay. Wow.
Okay. So after we get this, 1 month of poop.
1 month of poo under the sun.
Yes.
Okay.
After we get this, it's not stinky, no smell, but it's not clean. So we need to clean it.
We need to clean it before. Okay.
Next step, we
need to
clean.
cooking. Okay. We need to cooking. Cooking poo. Wow.
Yep. Hold on. Before we cook, we need to separate fiber and poo.
Oh. And we can do by myself.
Use
like
the water use water.
Use water. Oh, okay.
Because poop, no. Fiber, yes.
Okay, I
We only
understand.
use the fiber.
Only the fiber. Okay, so she say this one boo mixed with fiber. So we need to clean the boo first.
Separate fiber.
Separate. Okay. Separate fiber.
Okay, so we put this in, let it sit for 1 day, 24 hours.
Wow, 24 hours.
And then use this, pick up the fiber.
Okay, I got you. The fiber will be up
Yes.
and the boo down.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, because it's heavy.
Yes, it's heavy, so will be down.
Yes.
But the fiber is not heavy. Will be
Yes.
up.
Yes. Now, as clean.
We get the fiber.
Only fiber and very clean. Then we cook the fiber.
Then after we separate, okay. So first we separate the boo and the fiber. After that we put the fiber. Cooking the fiber. Okay.
Then cook for 4 hours.
4 hours. Oh my God.
Because we cook to kill bacteria.
We need to kill the bacteria. That's why 4 hours.
And to make it soft.
Okay.
We need the fiber to be soft. Careful though, it's kind of hot. A little, not that bad.
Oh wow, it's really hot.
And it smells like grass after 4 hours. Right?
Smell, yeah. Okay guys, after we separate the boo and the fiber, we need to cook it for an hour. Oh my God. 4 hours continue like this or just stay?
Stay.
Just stay? Okay. After 4 hours, will be clean?
And soft.
Amazing.
So after 4 hours, sun dry again. And
Again under the sun. How long?
if it's like this, probably a day or two. But if like very hot, like in Bangkok,
It's 1 day?
half day.
Half day, okay.
So after 4 hours, this is what it looks like. Soft, right?
Yes, it's so soft. Okay.
Then it's ready for the next step up the hill. So now we get this from the last station, like that one, right? We're just gonna use this to make paper.
From this, we need to make a paper.
We will use this to make paper.
Okay.
So we mix 3 things together. First, fiber.
First fiber, okay.
We use orphan poop. Number 2, recycle paper of any kind. We use our recycled paper from your ticket, like this.
This one, my
this is
ticket
your
actually.
ticket. Yeah.
This one made from Boo Elephant. My ticket from Boo Elephant.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Cool. This one, or from the DIY station, looks like this.
Wow, it's really amazing.
You don't have this, so you can use newspaper, office paper, notebook, magazine, any recycled paper you have. Number 3, to make it more colorful like this, we use food coloring here because it's edible, so it's safe for children.
It's also safe for children. Okay.
Because it's
Food color. It's food color.
Yes.
Okay, I got you.
You can eat it.
Amazing.
Okay.
Food.
Now,
They use also food color. Wow.
now 1, 2, 3, mix together in the mixer.
And the mixer.
This is the mixer.
Okay.
Look at this.
Wow. Oh my God.
You don't have this, you can use a blender. Like smoothie maker. Smoothie maker.
So we need to mix this first together. After that.
1, 2, 3. Boop, inside in the mixer, and then water. And then mix for
Also added water. Okay.
for 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
Okay,
Wow.
now if you wanna just stand behind the rope. Oh, careful.
Oh wow. Wow. It's really amazing. 2 hours mixed together. 3 things. Okay.
Okay, so now this one, after 2 hours, after a couple hours, this is the paper fold.
Oh, it's feel like paper.
It is paper.
Yes, it's feeling. Yeah, it is paper now.
Okay, so now it's ready. Then we make the pulp to balls like this. The big one is 300 to 500 grams. It's the size of the one. paper.
Oh my god.
Half
This
kilo.
one, it's
Half kilo.
half kilo.
Yes.
Okay.
A1 paper.
Wow.
We will make.
Made a paper.
Yes.
Okay. Last step.
Last. Yeah. So now we're just gonna use this to make paper. We're just gonna drop this in the water.
Okay.
Use the brake to lock the screen so it doesn't move. And now.
Wow. And
Yes. Now we need to break up. Drop it in. Break it up, and spread it around. Spread it around.
it's funny.
Try to keep it inside. Okay, so now you see holes, right?
Yeah.
We're not done yet because you see holes.
Yes.
We need to close them.
All the holes.
Yes, we need to fill them up. Boop, 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 like this.
Like this?
Yes. Oh, yeah, yes. Keep doing, keep doing.
Put your finger inside the water.
Yes. Poke
To
them.
close the hole.
Right. The pole will follow your fingers and that helps closing all the gaps.
Wow.
Okay, so now we're just gonna go this way. Take our paper out and lay the paper in the sack.
So we need to put the paper now in the sun after we... Wow. And keep it for 4 hours? 4 hours.
4 to 6.
4 to
But
6.
if this weather, probably a day or 2.
Oh, because no sun now.
That's all.
It's amazing.
It looks beautiful.
It's really... it's my paper. I made one paper, okay. Nice. Okay, so after 6 hours dry in the sun, this is the last result, right? Okay, wow.
And now we will take it off the screen. What we do, we use our fingers to push the top from one side all the way to the other side. Push, 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 push. And then it should come off very easily. Use your hands to
Off. I'm scared to do. Oh, it's really easy. I'm scared to broke, but no.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Hey, wow. We made some paper. It's not me actually. Okay.
Okay.
So after that we can make a lot of things from that, right? Okay.
I'll show you. We use the paper to make, for example,
Like this.
cover.
Oh my god.
Book cover.
It's so beautiful.
Decoration. Or bookmark.
From Poor Elephant.
Tassel. Even tassel.
Okay.
Bead.
Even turtle and wow.
Now, I'm just inside is also poo-poo paper.
I really surprising, you know, surprising. Really, it's amazing.
Okay, so now we're just gonna go to the DIY station to see what those beautiful paper can make.
So beautiful place also, you know.
Thank you. All the poo-poo paper products.
Or the Bobo Paper products, wow.
You can decorate. For example, like this.
I can design.
Yes. This one, passport holder. For example,
Wow,
this
also
one.
passport from Bobo.
80 baht, 80 baht.
It's around $2, $3.
Two.
Wow, it's so
Includes
cheap.
all the decoration. So,
It is not expensive. It's so a good price.
yeah.
It's unbelievable. You can see here. All this from Blue Elephant. Let's think for a moment. They did something really great because 200 million trees are cut down every day. And these things save the environment more. And you, my dear, tell me in the comments, are you ready to use paper made from elephant poo? Thank you guys for watching, and please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I try to reach 1000 subscribe. Thank you so much.